Hey guys, welcome to SBros Trading episode number 1. And in honor of Pokemon's newest release, Prismatic Evolutions, we are going to open up an entire box of Surging Sparks. And here we go. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, as we go along here, we're going to be getting better with quality and lighting and stuff like that. So we'll be making some tweaks along the way, but really appreciate you guys checking us out. And let's get started here.
Alright, Surging Sparks, 9 packs per box. First one, let's see what we got. We are going to start off.
Yes, energy, let's go.
We got a Yonmask, Quaxley, Larvesta, Mankey,
Dingleberry, Pastroberry, excuse me.
Pavilion, and DB. Alright, getting into the hollows now. Gastrodon. Okay.
Cool card.
Pack number 2. So we get better with quality, we're going to get better with opening the packs also.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We got a Fire Energy. Nice. Got a Watchman. Yep, nice. Excadrill.
I like that card a lot.
Tauros, that's a nice one. Deduction Kit, okay. Altaria. Got a Reverse Hollow Quaxley. Nice. Let's see what we get.
Tapu Koko.
Oh boy. Alright, pack number 3. Let's see what we're looking at here. I guess we'll talk a little bit about us. We are actually brothers. We've been collecting for quite some time, different things, but really just getting back into cards again lately. Let's see, we got energy.
I remember back in the day, remember how mad Dad got when we got that $40 holographic Charizard?
Yeah. Who's laughing now? I think it's probably worth a lot more than that. But yeah, we do a lot of things, more than just Pokemon we're going to be doing. You know, different sports, baseball, you could see in the background. Some baseball, we have some soccer, we got some Looney Tunes there. A little bit of everything. Let's go, pack number 4.
All right. We'll be right back after this break. There we go. Embarrassing, but
Like I said, we're gonna get better with it. There's that energy again. Now, obviously, you know, these packs, everyone's going for the Pikachu. Beautiful card. I think we're gonna get it at some point in here.
yeah, I'm feeling good. All right.
Vesta.
Oh,
All right.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, that is a very nice card. I love that one.
That's beautiful. I mean, if you're in it for the money, you know, obviously you're doing it wrong, but not the most expensive card. But that may be my favorite card in the set.
Yeah, that is great.
It's such a beautiful card. All right, let's see what we're getting into next here.
That's cool.
Yeah, you know, this thing with the set that I feel like they're just getting better and better with the artwork. These
There's the
there
fatty.
He is. There he
old
is.
fatso.
Always been my favorite. Always will be.
Yeah.
Eevee. No idea who that guy is. Okay, Landorus.
Okay.
That's pretty
Cool
nice. Number 6. Still waiting on that Pikachu.
It's coming.
I know it's in here somewhere.
This is the one.
You may be right. There's that Eevee again.
Yeah. It's a shirtless man. Ooh, okay.
All right.
Oh,
okay.
that is nice. That's probably our best one so far.
Was not expecting that.
Ooh.
Eternatus. Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Well, definitely not disappointed with that.
A couple more to go. Rufflet.
Could it possibly happen? Magneton right now.
Come on. All right.
Okay.
It's old Kevin right there.
Kevin, very nice card. 2 packs left.
Still time.
There's still time.
Another gas form.
We haven't gotten too many doubles.
No, not too bad. That's a cool card.
Magnezone.
There's Scatterbug.
All right, here we go. Okay.
Scaladarius. Okay.
Not what we were hoping for, but the artwork on these cards they get better with every
Yeah, it is
set.
impressive.
All right, let's go. Last pack magic.
Last pack magic, baby.
It's gonna happen. I've seen it happen before. All right.
Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Another nice card there.
Reverse Hologram. Here we go.
Oh, that's cool.
It is not
Nice
the
Pavilion,
Pikachu, but it is a Pavilion. And another top. There's our top 3 from today. The Archaludon, probably our best pull, but the Black Kyurem, definitely our personal favorite. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Give us a like, a follow, subscribe. We're on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks guys. See you next time.